Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the Honda's been dry and curing for the past few days. Colder weather's slowed it down a bit, but we're now at a point where the Honda's actually fully cured, and I've already started blocking down those panels that I've been having issues with, mainly with the fisheye problem that I've had, and I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. And right there you can see the fisheyes that I have kind of focused only on the bottom half of the panel. Like the mid panel area is perfect. We have no issues with anything there, so I don't know if it's this walkway that I've been continuously walking in and out of that's been kicking dust up onto the car panels on the very bottom and, you know, just been causing this issue with contamination. So I've done a bit of research online, saw some YouTube videos, and watched some people actually suggest that you can go ahead and block down the panel, clean it up nicely, re-throw on a thin layer of clear, basically like a dust layer, kind of let it tack up and throw a medium wet coat on there. I saw the Gunman do that online, so I'm going to try his tip on dealing with fisheyes and see how that comes out for me. Hopefully it solves this issue because we're very close to getting this polished up and completed. So I'm not going to do this on film today. I actually want to do something different for today's episode. I want to work a little bit on the car interior, which is just going to be a headliner that I've kind of come up with, something custom, something different than you've seen on YouTube. We're going to work on that in the basement, so I'll see you guys there. So I started off by just vacuuming this thoroughly with my vacuum, trying to get that dust off there so when we go ahead and spray the spray adhesive, we get a good bond on there. So this will just help it last longer by having a cleaner surface to work with. So for this project, guys, I'm using a 3M adhesive spray. You can pretty much use any adhesive spray as long as it's strong enough to hold out fabrics. The next thing else you may need is a squeegee. Not 100% sure I may use this, I might not, but just in case. And as well, you have your fabric. All right, this isn't going to be a white fabric. There's an actual design on this. I'll show you guys what this looks like in a second. But you obviously want to have enough that it actually goes over beautifully and still has enough to actually go over the edge on the other side that we can go ahead and spray adhesive in here and just tuck that away nicely so it's just a cleaner fold. So with the design that I have, I went through a company on Groupon, which I'll link right here in the video for you guys so you guys can check it out. But they do like custom blankets and stuff like that. Luckily the material was the exact same as my existing headliner with the Honda, so I decided to go that route. And I went online, found a picture, opened it up in Adobe Illustrator, retraced it so when I did expand it on like a 65-inch by 45-inch blanket, it wasn't going to ruin the resolution, and it came out perfect. So I'll show you what it is. Well, I was thinking if we laid it down. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to spray the middle area first, basically just a thin line, attach that, fold back the material, and spray the rest of that and work my way back out. Because I've seen people spray the entire thing, and then when they lay it, they really can't work with it as easy. So I'm going to hope this works out a little bit better for myself. So there we are done. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like in the car. I still have to take off all the masking and all the tape off the car so I can go ahead and throw this in. Cut out the light box area, put the visors back in, debating on if I'm going to because they may cut the heads off a bit of Mooncake and Gary. If you guys are not familiar with the show, those are the character names. In the description below, guys, I'm going to link the company that I got this fabric from. If you guys are interested in doing a design of your own, they are super fast, super affordable, and honestly have various sizes to accompany any size headliner that you may have in your car. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Garage SpeCivic.